So, as a lot of you know, I like Insta360 gear, and because I'm going on my trip, I'm probably on my trip right now. I'm probably out there somewhere on the road doing my thing. Insta360 was like, hey, do you want to try this? Actually, that's not true. I approached them and said, hey, I'd like to be able to use my phone on occasion, not always, having to carry an Insta360. Sometimes I'm wandering around. I don't want to carry extra cameras, right? And I was like, this kind of cool gimbal would be awesome. So they sent it to me. Now, what's cool is they also sent me the Insta360 Flow, the non-pro. So we're going to do an unboxing of that. You may even see that tomorrow. But I wanted to see this one because this is the one that I'm actually going to bring with me. And I've reviewed a lot of gimbals, and I'm always like, yeah, it's a gimbal. But this one has always sparked some curiosity because of the fact that it's designed very differently. And Insta360, I am a big fan of their products. So we're going to just take a look at this one today, an unboxing. And then what we're going to do is we are going to, tomorrow, we're going to unbox the Insta360 Flow, the non-pro. And maybe in a follow-up video, we'll actually see what the difference is between the two. Also, for those of you that are interested, I am on the other channel, the Greg to Vlog and Travel, if you search for that, because this is going to come out when I'm on my month-long trip. Go over and watch they're almost like daily videos that are going to come. Not even daily videos. They'll probably be whenever I stop, since it's a motorcycle ride. So if I stop somewhere or start somewhere, I'm going to do little 1-2 minute videos. Those are probably 100% all going to be created with my iPhone, and this, because of the fact that I want to be able to upload them and have them almost as close to real time as possible. Everything else on that trip is probably going to be shot with like an Insta360. It could be this, but a Go 3S, an Ace Pro, and X4s. So those big videos will come out once I get back and have a chance to edit. But those little daily videos will be showcasing this for sure. Okay, let's take a look at it. So anyway, this is the box, Insta360 Flow Pro. 10 hours of battery life, which is great. For me on my trip, this probably means that I should be able to get a couple days before having to charge it. 3-axis stabilization, all powered Deep Tracker 3 AI powered Deep Tracker 3, 360 infinite pan tracking, which is sweet. Native tracking with iPhone camera, which is also cool because they have this new feature inside iPhones now, or the new operating system that allows it to be able to connect to like third-party apps and hardware. So that's cool. Plus little what it does. Anyways, let's crack it open. So yeah, there's this first NFC connection. You're going to unfold it. This is kind of the instruction for how to fold it up. Classic grip, quick grip. Key features: built-in tripod and selfie stick, which is kind of cool. Magnetic phone clamp. And I think some of these are not on the non-pro, because in the other box that they sent me, which is the non-pro, it actually comes, at least it came, I think, with a magnetic phone. I think that's something you could add onto it. Foldable, portable, 3-axis stabilization. Again, native tracking. I think this is only on the pro. And you guys can see some other kind of cool stuff that's there. Yeah, that's the shoot modes: auto, beginner friendly, follow, pan follow, FPV. Coolness, all kinds of coolness. And I think they'll make you download the app, which is awesome. Ooh. And it's small. That's like super pocket friendly. I don't know what's in this one. I like pocket friendly because, again, I'll be not carrying a lot of stuff with me in regards to when I'm traveling. I don't necessarily want a lot of stuff. And when I'm wandering around the sites, I don't want to have a lot of other stuff in my bag, right? Or on me. What else is in here? There's all kinds of stuff. Again, this is the Pro, and I'm curious after we do this what the non-Pro looks like. So, oh yeah, so this is, I'm pretty sure this is your, right? Place phone facing up, ensure the clamp. So that's that. Okay. We'll get there. All kinds of goodness. This is gonna go over there. USB-C to USB-A cable. What is this? My guess is a case. That's my guess. Could be completely wrong. Oh, it looks like a case. It's all folded up. So what is this? Oh, you get a little grip. That's cool. Like a little rubber grip, I guess, if you want. There is your Insta360 case. Very nice. This is your manual. All right, and this is it. So that is pretty slick. So it has like little numbers. So I'm guessing we just somehow pull that off. I have to say, with their stuff, you know, the nice thing is that, what is this? 1, 2, ensure magnet and phone clamps are in place. So I'm guessing that's this. Oh, sweet deal. Yes, it is. That's cool. This has got to come off somehow. Don't want all these extra stickers on here. There we go. And we got one on the bottom. That's coming off. And number 3, that's like I guess like lock or something like that. Me, I'm not reading any of it because I don't want to. But that's cool. So that's the little Insta360. It does say, I guess you kind of just, you know, wording up, and then it says, place a phone facing up. So you want to make sure it's up that way. Cool. Yep. And then this would, like, what's up? That's the question, right? This snaps. Oh, it just automatically turns on. Sweet deal. And then there's a little like divot there, which matches there. She just kind of, boom. I love that it just turns on as soon as it's there, right? But it isn't detecting a phone, which is good. And then that just turns it off. Yes? Okay. And this you could just pull off whenever you want. I want a, hold on. I want to put this on. This will go trigger / rubber. Put your rubber on. Right? There we go. If you want that extra rubbery grip, because your hands, just to get it on there. You don't need to put that on. And then, cool. All right, I gotta get my phone. I thought I brought it, but I didn't. So one sec, hold on. I'm gonna go grab that. Now, before we go too crazy with this, which we will, they did send me some other stuff too. As you can see here, an Insta360 Spotlight. This would attach somehow. I'm guessing it goes on the top of this somehow. We'll figure that out. We will. Just goes this way. These just extend, right? So you get your feet. I like that it has that. That's extra cool, right? Check that out. That's super slick. This, again, just goes there, right? Which is nice. Excellent. I like it. And I'm curious now, if I actually brought up the Insta360 app, which I have, will it know that this is there? So this all works, because and as well as it should, right? I'm going to hit this. Find a device. Oh, Flow Pro. It does have it. Would you like to pair with it? Yes, I would. Downloading analysis resources. Sure. So while that's doing that, like I said, we have this little light. Again, they came in a box, and I'm not 100% sure which is for this camera and which is for the other camera. Anyway, there's this spotlight, which again, it's going to allow you to light up your world. This is definitely for here. Magnetic phone mount. So you can actually, for those of us that have MagSafe, we could just use MagSafe. Oh, shooting with permission requires the following. So I want all of this. Yes, indeed. All of this. Start shooting. Welcome to Flow. Let's go. Let's start. All right. Switching modes. First, move your it's got to tell me what to do. First, move your finger clockwise around the gimbal mode switch. Oh yeah, it's got like a touch sensor on there. You guys, man, you just kind of auto. You can also go to the flow settings. Switching modes. You can. Okay, that's cool. I'm just gonna close this because I don't care. Are you sure you want to exit the tutorial? Yes, I do. Got it. I'm all good. Let's pretend I'm all good. I am curious to see if there is. So you can go into the settings. I don't know if you guys may be able to see this. Can I tilt this all the way up? Maybe not. Probably doesn't want to go all the way up, right? Because it can't. But You do have flow settings. It is suggested to deploy the tripod for a better time-lapse effect. Yep, no, I'm good. That's excellent. I don't want time-lapse. Let's just go here and choose our whatevs, right? I'm going to go to the bottom, go to video. And I'm curious, right? So I think the big thing, like if you were shooting yourself, right? Let's just bring this down like so. Oh, then it has this follow. Does it have a follow? You guys aren't seeing it very good. We'll just do this, yeah? So if I tapped on myself, that is not following. Oh wait, what's this? Auto, smooth, brighten, nope. So I think I'm gonna have to play with it for sure, but because it should follow me, right? Which at this point in time, it doesn't seem to be, but we got photo, pano photo. Yes, okay, I'm with you. I don't care about that. Normal photo, video. I should be able to, maybe I have to draw a square. There we go. You just draw a square over top. Now, see, that's going to be awesome because you can, right? You can tilt and this just follows you. Here, do a recording real quick. Ready? You should be able to just hit the record button. Nice. Right? And, right? My room's a mess. Just accept it. But I don't have to do anything. It just kind of wanders with me. Oh, I like that, right? That's cool. And then you just turn it off. Long press the switch button to blah, blah, blah. Okay, anyways. Now, my other thought would be that because that's this way, there's got to be a rotate this. So let's see. 1, 2, maybe? 1, 2, 3. That went that way. So now, of course, shooting the wrong way. But I should be able to do this. Just put it there, right? Same idea. Track my face. Just kind of position myself. Yes. Oh, it seems to have lost me. But then it regains me as soon as it, which is nice because as soon as you, like if you flip it around and it loses and then you come back, it's like, nope, there you are. Retrack. And that's really what I want for the trip, right? That's mostly what I want it for, is that. So that I can get stable shots of myself. And if I do want to switch it around for whatever reason, I can just hit that button. There's bound to be a button that, yeah, just a button here maybe. Click. And it switches the camera around. You guys may not be able to see that. If I turn this, right? Click. And forward camera, rear camera. So I don't have to play around with anything. That's super cool. I like that. And then I think too, again, if I were to close out of this app somehow, right? Oh, it just goes back into this mode. That's cool. If I were to come into the camera app, as far as I know, and bring it this way, I'm not 100% sure how it's got face tracking on me, right? I have to figure that part out. Because it's supposed to be able to do all the tracking stuff and use the gimbal inside here, but it could be that, I have to make sure the other one's off or something. Let's just see if it does it here. Anything? No, I'll have to figure it out. Anyways, once you're done, it does have a power button on the bottom, right on the disc on the controller, so you can just kind of click that and off it goes. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna play with some of this. We did get a all-purpose, just an extension tripod. I think that's going to be for the other one. And we got this, which I don't know what this is. It says FMG plus MagSafe. FMG plus MagSafe. Does that mean anything to you or me? I don't think so, but we'll find out. It seems like another one of these is what it seems like. It seems like that all over again. Yes? My guess is this, just so you guys know, if you took this piece off, because you're like, I don't need the clamp part, right? I don't need the clamp part. My guess is that would fit right on there, locks in. And then if you had a magnetic based phone, right? You don't need this because it's MagSafe. Yes? and that locks on there. That locks on there lovely. So you can just pull it off. It actually pulls off this, right? Better than it pulls off this. That snaps on really nice. And then again, once it's there, it locks into that little, you guys may be able to see it, that little notch right there, so that it stays in place. All right, I seem to have a bunch of those. That's cool. I don't see myself needing the light. This magnetic phone mount, and maybe that's what, I don't know why they sent me two, one for each. Maybe you could use one for each. I don't know. These are all kinds of possibilities. Anyways, let's just take a look at this one because I'm curious. I want to see if it's the same thing. My guess is it is. But maybe they're just nice and say, here's two just in case you lose one, because you have a tendency to lose shit. Which is not untrue. Not untrue at all. Yeah, that's the same thing. Right? Same thing. So I got two. Maybe this one will work on the other one. So I'm gonna bring that one down, and tonight we'll shoot and see what that one is like. I got so much stuff to pack up for this trip. I'm like Insta360 crazy right now. All right, guys, that's it for the unboxing of the Insta360 Flow Pro. And I got some playing to do with it. And again, you'll see on the other channel a whole bunch of videos coming out over the next X amount of time. And when I get back, there'll be like full-size videos coming out on this channel. But make sure to check the other channel and subscribe to that one. And this one, just to stay up to date. All right, guys, links to Insta360 down below. And we'll see you guys next video. Later.